Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick cleaning video for you, just a quick clean my bathroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. These videos really motivate me to get up and clean, and I really enjoy watching them. So I hope you enjoy watching this, and I hope it gives you some motivation. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more like this and other things, I do all kinds of videos. Don't forget, before you leave, to subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys, bye.
Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
I've mentioned before in my videos that I use these scourging, I think that's what they're called, that's what it says, sticks on my toilet because we have hard water, and so where the water sits in the toilet, they just, it makes a hard water stain. So this is what they look like. I have to get down in there with my hands and scrub it away. But if you're new to my channel, I think I've said this several times, but if you're new and you've never watched a cleaning video of mine, these are something that I have to use on a regular basis on sometimes my sinks, but mostly my toilets. I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey.